How did what should have been an easy fix and flip turn into a flippin' nightmare?
The inspector said that it was the cleanest property from head to toe that he's ever seen, that he's ever inspected.
So let's get into why this was a nightmare. Often, like, we look at each other, we're like, how does this problem even exist? But somehow the universe seems to deal us like a new load of crap to deal with every single day. I think that's the story of fix and flips, though. Like, there's so many moving parts, a lot of them are bound to go wrong a lot of the time. If you have the attitude that there's always a solution, I just need to work until I find it, you're not gonna fail. It may not go as well as you hoped it would, but you're not gonna fail. The only time you fail is when you stop.